Hey there, RecTech family. I'm Chef Greg. Today I'm going to show you how to fabricate this turkey. This is a 16-pound turkey. And one reason why I like to separate the legs and thighs from the breast is because those two pieces of meat tend to cook a little differently. A lot of times you need more time and temp on the legs and thighs to make them cook a little more tender, whereas if you do that cooking whole, you're going to overcook your breast meat. So a few simple steps, you're going to have perfect, juicy, delicious turkey each and every time. First and foremost, this little thermometer, go ahead and take it out. They don't work, right? Half the time they're installed wrong, and with your Y-Pellet Wi-Fi controller, you'll be able to see the internal temp of that turkey each and every time. We'll take off this back harness that's holding these legs on, and our first cut is going to be on the outside of each of the legs. And you'll see if you look, there's a darker fat seam there. We're actually going to follow that fat seam with our knife and we'll separate that out. If you've cut up a chicken, you've done the same thing. A turkey is just a little bit bigger. So once we cut that skin, you can go ahead and take your hands and you can pop those hip joints. And again, that turkey is a little bit more tough than that chicken. It might take a little bit more muscle, okay? And you can see that next cut is going to be right inside of that hip joint. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this other one. And again, you can see that cut is going to be right on the inside of that hip. So it's easy if you stand that bird up, you can just follow that fat seam the entire way. One leg and thigh, we'll do the same on this side. Second leg and thigh. And what we'll do is, we'll tuck these wingtips back, and that'll hold the breast nice and straight. And what we'll do is we'll take our knife and we will cut this back part of the rib cage open. And again, you might see this marketed at your grocery store as a split turkey breast, and this is it when it's still attached. Following a few simple steps, you can separate the leg and thigh from the breast and ensure perfect results each and every time. If you're curious how we cook this turkey, go over to our channel and check out a recipe for roasted turkey.